Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add money to Pandabuy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Pandabuy, click on the sign up button. And from here, creating an account in Pandabuy is a breeze. All you're going to do is provide your email, create a password, choose the region or location that you are in, and click on the sign up button, and you are all set. Once you have done that, adding money to Pandabuy is a very straightforward process. Now, all you're gonna do is hover down to the upper right corner of your account and go to the wallet. And as you can see, if you have a balance here on the dashboard, it will automatically be reflected. You also have the section for coupon, but that's gonna be for another tutorial. But for now, if you wanted to add a balance here, just click on the top up, and from here please enter the amount you decide. Say for example, that's going to be 20,000, and click on confirm, and you will be directed here in another page wherein these are the available payment options. So you can top up into your debit card, your Stripe, your Union Pay, your Alipay, so forth, Alipay, and especially PayPal, because from here they will deduct the top up amount on your accounts if you have any, right? And this is the converted amount from the 10,000 earlier that we have put in the top up account. And from here, just click on the confirm payment and you are good to go. But if you have more questions about the process of adding money here on your account on Pandabuy, or you are having problems adding money on your Pandabuy account, say for example it's restricted, you might want to go here in the support center, wherein they are more than glad to assist you with any of your concern. You have an online support, just click on the contact option. That is 7 to 24 or 24/7 available. You also have the channel for the email, just click on here. They also have the social media account, which is on Discord. When you click on this one, you would be directed to a new page wherein you are invited to Pandabuy, and you can ask questions, especially if you are having problems adding money to your Pandabuy account. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.